This video is a step-by-step guide that can help you set up sound effects and graphics in Scorpbot quickly and easily. Scorpbot is a free software for streamers that can be used as a single stream bot for either Beam or Twitch, or for casters who multi-stream to Beam and Twitch at the same time. If you missed the first 3 tutorials in this series, please check out how to set up Scorpbot in 15 minutes or less, the Scorpbot tutorial on currency, and the Scorpbot tutorial on games. Now let's get started setting up sound effects and graphics. Scorpbot allows you to add sounds and graphics that your streaming software can trigger for alerts, or that your viewers can trigger with a command. To begin, open Scorpbot and click on the SFX tab. Make sure the SFX enabled box is checked, as this is the global setting to turn sound effects on and off. Also check the SFX command enabled box if you want the viewers to have access to these commands. If you don't want the commands to be spammed, set the user delay, which is a cooldown that is set in minutes. Volume adjustments can also be made here, along with the default cost for all sound effects. Next, click Open Folder. This is the folder where you place your audio files, and Scorpbot supports the MP3 format. Make sure to click Reload when new sounds are placed in this folder. In the command window, type the command that will trigger the sound. Directly underneath is a cost window where you can set the individual cost for the sound effect. The individual cost will override the default cost. Highlight the sound effect, then click play to test it out. Next, let's move on to the GFX tab. This is where you can add images and GIFs to your stream. First, make sure the Animations Enabled box is checked to enable the animation section. Then go down to the bottom of the page and click the Open Media folder. This is the folder where you place your GIFs. You can also find this folder under Scorpbot, Data, Media. They don't need to be animated GIFs, but for now, only GIF files are supported. Click Reload. This is a necessary step to refresh the list of GIFs you can use. Back up at the top, click on the Open Stream Window button to open the green chroma key window where the animation will play. This is where the GIFs and images will show. If you click the Show Window on Startup button, the stream window will automatically open when Scorpbot is launched. BG Chroma is the green background color, so you can chroma key the image out in your streaming software. And the window size displays how large the GIF window will be. You can also set the size and position of the GIF here. To create an animation, click Add, and a new one title will appear in the window on the left. Give new one a new name by highlighting the name and typing over it in the name window on the right. In the drop-down menu directly below, select the animation you just added in the media folder. The delay is the speed of the GIF. You can also set the loop, meaning how many times the GIF will play in a row. If you want a sound to play when an image or a GIF is triggered, select the MP3 in the Play Sound drop-down window. To display text when the GIF is played, you can input words in the text window and adjust the color in this box to the right. There are different variables you can add to the text, along with colors to outline the text and offsets to change where the text appears. Then click Save. Click Test to view your GIF and adjust as needed. If you want to use this animation for an alert, in other words, a follow, sub, host, or tip, open the Settings tab in Scorpbot. Check the box to enable the alert, then select the GIF name you created from the drop-down list. If you want to use this animation for a command, open the Commands tab in Scorpbot. Create a new command by giving it a name. For example, I'll use !ants. From the variable drop-down list, select GFX and click Add. In the command response window, replace animation name with the name of your animation. So I'll write $GFX ants. Then click Save. Now when I type !ants in the chat, both the sound effect and the GIF triggered simultaneously. In a nutshell, this is how you set up sound effects and graphics in Scorpbot. There are many other features to this software, including commands, song requests, and hosting. The next video will cover a list of popular commands, and thank you to jkilla7 for that suggestion. But let me know which Scorpbot section you'd like to see after that. Until then, this is WASD, and I'll see you in the next video.